My name's Iain McInnes. I'm the Vice Principal and Head of College of Medical, Veterinary and Life Sciences in the University of Glasgow, and it's my privilege to be the Chief Investigator in the OCTAVE trial. People with chronic immune diseases, liver disease, kidney disease, solid cancers or blood cancers are understandably anxious about whether they will be able to mount a good response to the COVID vaccines. And the OCTAVE trial, which we're doing in a number of universities up and down the United Kingdom, led by the University of Glasgow, working through the clinical trials unit in the University of Birmingham, are setting out to answer this question. We're using some really sophisticated immune tests to look at how well the vaccine works in people with all of these conditions. The study will look at the function of the immune system in great detail after receipt of vaccination, and by doing that will give us an idea as to how well the vaccines are working and what protection we think have been afforded.
I am Professor Pam Kearns, Director of the Cancer Research UK Clinical Trials Unit at the University of Birmingham, which has been coordinating the OCTAVE study and the teams of researchers involved at universities and hospitals throughout England and Scotland. Nearly 3,500 patients with illnesses that leave them immunosuppressed have been involved in the OCTAVE study, including those with inflammatory bowel disease, cancer, rheumatoid arthritis, and those undergoing stem cell transplants. Blood samples were taken from these patients before and after they received their first and second doses of either the Pfizer or the AstraZeneca vaccines. Then, using a variety of state-of-the-art tests performed in laboratories on these blood samples, we have been collecting data to determine patients' COVID-19 immune response and therefore the likelihood that the vaccines will fully protect these patient groups from future COVID-19 infection. We have then been comparing these results from the study group against control groups from healthy people without underlying disease who have also received COVID-19 vaccines. The results of OCTAVE, which is funded by the Medical Research Council, will be instrumental in helping inform how best to vaccinate patients with chronic conditions and protect them from COVID-19 infections in the future.